Bubagra aro hai tongo जोंथ' खोनाखा हिस्ट्रि फै जाम खाना दिनै बिरबिल एयारपर्ट क'क्राझार बिरबिल एयारपर्टआव जों दिनै गेजेर हादाबार खुंगोन दिनै बुबाग्रानो लामसंना बागै it is sign of unity, sign of strength of our people, and we believe in the coming days, especially for the election 2023, will prove that our unity is a strength. What about like all intellectual, youth, and all the people, not only indigenous people, not only Prasa, every people of the state, Wansangthung, Rasangthung, Muslimthung, like Hasrangjak, Lamsokgwikha, only Bubagra, only Maharaj can rule the state, he can bring development, he can bring peace. Everybody expected him. Therefore, despite of short time, we got information that thousands of people have gathered here to welcome him. And as you all know, few days back, he was a little bit illness, he was a little sick, but he's already recovered. Therefore, we welcome him with his good health, and it is proof that the people of Tipra would accept him. Not only the indigenous people, Tiprasa, all people are love him. And we believe him that only Maharaj is alone in our state can prove that the unity is the strength, and with unity will prove that coming election is very near, knocking the door, and this election also will prove that we will have a victory, we win the election. Therefore, we are all expecting him. Today is the history day that in Bubagra airport, the thousands of youth are gathering here to welcome him. Thank you.
Bubagra no hamka ni saka. Busuk dorte hamka lukrok busuk kaham ni wan sunana.
It's very perfect. Only the body cover ng kaham ka. Bakunung ya ang football ng malay sajak. Body kaham no. Kabanga borok sago. Body ham ya sogya abuya. Body kaham no. It's perfect. Everything is perfect. Body bagay. Body mana kiri. Body kirana kiri. Bakaham no tongo. Bakang by malay finay. This is a big gathering tongo. Mega gathering of women wing. Ini WF ini gathering tongo. Aru bokok sanai, singbu thangnai. Omo kaji ini taman sanai. Omo kaji ini belai ketong thumani sal. Ini 16 tarik Januari 2023. Sebelum nai. Ini beri rauhai na angkana ka hadar borok hai tongo. We are expecting 20 to 30,000.